This is the replacement switch. So there's a washer. First of all, you need to undo this washer, slip that through, place the wire system through the hole, then reapply the washer to finger tightness. Then we've put these adapters on the end so it's easy for you to connect. So the two wires that you have, just connect those up, and you probably need to crimp them once they're inside and just use insulation tape. So it's a very simple process. Undo the washer, put through the hole, tighten the washer behind the back of the hole, and then adjust these two wires. Doesn't matter which order they go in, both of them work. Okay, good luck.